Hi, I'm Johan. I'm a software developer at Panenko.
Stefanos, I'm also a software developer. Soundox is a company that focuses on monitoring the health of pigs. They have devices that they deploy all over the world in pig farms. They collect audio, temperature, among other sensor data.
You can compare it with a Fitbit, but for pigs. The idea of the devices is to give farmers early warnings and recommendations. Panenko got involved into Soundox roughly about 5 years ago. We do the UX/UI design together, we do the architecture, and we also built on the mobile application, the web application, and the backend.
We're talking about thousands of devices. That means a lot of data coming in constantly 24/7. From a backend perspective, we need to maintain the performance of the app and make sure it keeps on scaling. That led to a rework of the architecture to transition more of its components towards serverless because it's more cost effective and scaling is also inherent.
Soundox devices are deployed all around the world. Every country has its own data privacy, which means setting up an entire new environment. But luckily, we made sure that deployment is easy. We can spin up a new server with the breeze of just pressing a button.
The idea is to migrate more of the microservices that we have running 24/7 in containers, processing one message at a time, into serverless functions which only boot up when there is enough messages to do the work. And we also change how we write to the database.
It will relieve a lot of stress from the database.
Another thing on the roadmap is assisting Soundox with our ISO certification. The lessons learned there and our experience we also now bring to the Soundox team.
One of them being, we want good test coverage. We also have a very important step during development, which is code reviews, which means having a second pair of eyes looking at every piece of code. Soundox has a lot of companies that use the application that already bring their own software. We already have a REST API that can be used to do a lot of functions that you already see in the application, but we want to spend more time improving the REST API so that those companies can integrate the tool as if it was in their own software package.